I think we need to change our mind, our point of view on the tribes, and to start doing tshuva and to call them the forgotten tribes. They're not lost. I think that we are lost. I'm getting hundreds of messages from people across the universe that are claiming to be part of the nation of Israel. Some of them bringing amazing evidence for their connection to Israel, tradition that they keep on keeping and following, and holy names that their roots and source is for sure Israeli. People with Israeli names. Their parents were called in Israeli names, and all their families before were called in Israeli names. They have amazing traditions, holding holy scripts, Bibles from ancient times, traditional holy customs that their source is from the biblical time. And the fact that they still have not been recognized or declared as tribes, as Israelis, as Jewish, that's another story. But it's like the numbers of messages that I'm getting on daily basis is enormous, is gigantic. From Africa, from India, from the Far East, from China, from like wild places, from Afghanistan, from Pakistan, hundreds and thousands of messages, hundreds, and like also from Africa, and also from other countries that are like in our eyes are more modern, like from Europe and from Russia and from the United States of America, thousands of people that are claiming to be Israelis, and like it's not that they want a visa to get into Eretz Israel and they're claiming for Judaism. You're talking about people with families, happy people, good people, solid people that are claiming that they are Israelis. They're not coming in any request or demand or like begging for something. They're just like telling you, listen, hi, hey brother, how are you doing? Like, that's the truth. We're talking about honest siblings, and it's a beautiful thing to see. That awakeness, that huge awakeness is so beautiful. It's the prophecy is coming to life. The redemption is taking place in our days. They were there all the time, and they were hidden, and they were living their life in like it was a mystery for us. They were hidden from us. We need to do tshuva for not looking for them with enough power, with enough energy, that we didn't put enough of our time, enough of our mind and skills and energy and sources to help them out, to bring them back to their place, to the Holy Land. And that's why we should call them the forgotten tribes and not lost. We are lost because we lost touch with them. So we are lost. We lost the connection. We need to reconnect ourselves to them.